How you can change your email address in Twitter account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another tutorial, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to change email address in Twitter account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the Twitter application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now head over to the upper left corner. There you will find a profile icon. Tap on that. Now from this menu bar, tap on your profile. Now from this menu bar, tap on settings and support. Again, tap on settings and privacy. Here you will land on your settings page. So tap on your account option at the top. Now again, tap on account information. There you will get your username, your phone number, your email, country and other option. So tap on email. For your verification, you have to enter your Twitter password. And once you type in your Twitter password and you are verified, then on the next page, you will be asked to enter the email address that you would like to change. Type in your email address and then tap on next. After that, you will receive a verification code to your newly added email address. So take up your email and an inbox space. There you will get a code from Twitter. So simply copy that code and paste it where it is asked. After you do that, tap on next, and after your verification is complete, your new email address will be added to your Twitter account. And that's how you add new email address to your Twitter account. That's all for today's video, and I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.